Welcome. It's Monday, and the shit still smells the same here every day, doesn't it?
Wish in one hand, shit in the other.
Yeah. So we had a customer today. We had a couple customers today. We had one customer, and it was a Chevy G20 or 1500 conversion van, high top. And Caleb brings the car, right, Caleb? And what this story is about is the customer's telling us how to fix their car when they have no idea what's wrong with their car. He's here for an exhaust leak. So Caleb brings it in. I said, man, Jude brings it in. I said, man, this engine sounds like it's running bad, but it's got exhaust leaks in the front of the car, an exhaust leak in the middle of the car. The belt's spewing, it's pissing fluids out of it.
There's a puddle.
here's the puddle. Yeah. You don't need anything on your car, sir. That's not from this car. The catalytic converters were rusted out on both sides of the pipe, both sides of the Y pipe, and they're rigged in there. And then there's a flange in the middle of the car that's wide open and leaking. So we tell Rachel it needs 2 cats, it runs bad, bunch of fluid leaks so we don't get blamed for it, and a patch on the exhaust system. Pretty simple, right? You come in for exhaust repair. We're not saying you need the entire system, right? Anywhere else, you need an entire system, sir. Not here, Honest Abe's. Hold on, Honest Abe's here. You need 2 cats and a patch on your exhaust system. That's the most affordable option. Rachel goes to present the job to the customer. He hops out of his chair and says, don't tell me I need catalytic converters. But you can do the patch. I was like, yeah, fuck that. Back that piece of shit out. You don't tell us how to fix your car. Don't tell me that I need catalytic converters. Yeah, okay, well, you're not fixing your exhaust leak without 2 catalytic converters and a patch on your exhaust. I don't know why the defense mode went right up as soon as we tell you what it costs to fix your car and how much. There's no reason for that. You know what you could say? Really, Rachel? I wasn't aware that I needed 2 catalytic converters. I thought I had them done not too long ago. Well, not too long ago to me looks like 5 or 8 years ago based on the visual inspection of your exhaust system. Invite him out and put it up in here, but he put both of his Dukes up and said, don't tell me that I need 2 catalytic converters. I was like, yep, this story's over, guys. Back it out. Not arguing with people, not justifying anything, not based on that attitude. No thanks. Go take your shit box someplace else and have them bubble gum up your exhaust like the last guy did. And let it leak, right? Let it leak oil and fluids in their bays. I just don't get it. You don't know us. You're here for a problem. We didn't say replace the whole entire exhaust system on your 2002 vehicle. We said, hey, the minimum repair here, sir, is 2 cats and a patch. How much more honest can you be? Can't. But I was going to tell you his expectations were that $100 would fix all his problems, and that's why he got upset and took the stance that he did.
Off the magic dragon.
What do you mean my car payment's going to be $1,200 a month? Yes, sir. You just signed a credit application for an $80,000 Cadillac, and your trade-in's $450. That's not even worth the trade-in. Yeah. Jump out of your chair for that.
Giving you $450 for the trade, we're just going to send to auction anyway.
Right.
Sure.
All we were doing is trying to provide the customer with honest and easy, simple solutions for his car, and he wants to have a fucking fight in the waiting room. Sorry, dude. My days of that are over. Take your shit box someplace else. Unbelievable.
Yeah, the guy that handled that got fired.
What's that?
The guy that handled that got fired.
Unbelievable. You come here, you ask for a help, and you don't hear you need to replace the whole exhaust system. That's something to get upset about, right? That is something to get upset about. You need your entire exhaust system replaced. You know who's going to tell you that? Mavis, Firestone, Pep Police. Just about anybody else that's not an exhaust specialist. Us here are just saying 2 cats and a patch. We can fix your exhaust. It's still going to run bad, your belt's going to squeak, and you're still going to be pissing fluid out of it, just like you were when you were here.